the battle is too much. The battle where then they fight Evangelist Ebuka Obi is too much. But only one thing I will tell Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a very difficult thing, and the thing looks childish. But when you look into it, you will see that what I'm about to say makes sense. But it looks childish. Number one, I have discovered 100% of the people that is fighting Evangelist Ebuka Obi on social media are Igbos. Both bloggers, both content creators, all of them are Igbos. If Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, if he is able to change his name, Lenas is not an Igbo man again. That is from Yoruba or Hausa or Fulani. Change his name, change everything, become a Yoruba man now. This battle will be less. I know the battle will come, but it will not be much like this. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi happens now, who's not Brony Bokobo, no Bonye Yoruba, or no Bonya Hausa, or no Bonye Fulani, Zahaze their name. Jegola na Yoruba, Luo no Bilize Sanaba or Ben Nazi. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi can do this thing, the battle get better. But as long as not Igbo man, as long as Evangelist Ebuka Obi is an Igbo man, Igbo people will still be fighting this man. I know the reason I'm saying this like this. I know the reason I'm putting it in this way. Most of you may not understand what I'm saying, but I myself know the reason I'm putting it this way. The battle is too much. The battle is too much. The battle is too much. Battle on Abia, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is too much. The Igbos are trying their best to pull Evangelist Ebuka Obi down because of the hatred and will be Christianity. Most of them, because of the hatred and will be Christianity. Because of what they say that Christianity will wipe out in Igbo land. So they are using their energy to fight this man called Evangelist Ebuka Obi to pull down his ministry. Now, let me tell you people something. And I know that most of you people may not like this message, but I don't care. I don't care whether you like it. I don't care your comment. I don't care what you comment on in the comment section. That's just my business. You can comment anything you want. That's not my business. Your comment, what you comment will not stop me for saying what I'm saying. If what you are open a comment section on, open if I want to comment, all those things that you people are commenting. If open on a roll, I will stop saying this and I'm saying. As long as you keep commenting, I will still say what I'm saying. Most of those people that is talking about Igbo freedom, condemning the way Nigerian government persecuting Igbos, Alumana Hana just come take called Nigeria. Most of them now have stopped talking about it. Their topic is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Their topic is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Their topic is other. They have changed their topic. Some of them have changed their topic. In Agom Nandi Igbo Nemeka double on. These people, Igbos are behaving like people Obolon. I have said it before that we have in Africa, in Nigeria, strong ministers of God from Yoruba land. And the same Yoruba people are talking about Oduduwa. But since I listen to all the Yorubas, Oduduwas, TV, I'm watching all their destiny, all the warriors, all their media warriors of Oduduwa. I never see them bring their pastors, bring Yoruba pastors online and be accusing them, talking about it. All this thing they are talking about TV show now. You not see any page called Oduduwa TV or anything Oduduwa bringing that topic in their platform talking about it. They will not talk about it. They focus on what they are doing. But in the Igbo here, Igbo people are doing like people because that is they have problem. And that is what they are fighting to get. It may be difficult for them to get it because this kind of thing that people want to get is what everybody can need to get. I want to ask the Igbos, all the Igbos that is fighting against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want to ask you people whether Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the problem of Igbo. You people should answer me this question. Whether if he is the problem of Igbo land, you people should come out and Answer me this question. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was outside, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was speaking many things, and some Igbo people accusing him in secret. But right now, on the inside, some of them are mago they valued. Some of them are mago ihonya water in Igbo land. They don't care. Now listen to me. All those things they are doing to Igbos in Lagos, is a very terrible thing. It's a very terrible thing. It's a very terrible thing. I say it before, since Jagaban Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, the Igbos are crying in Lagos. The Igbos people are crying in Lagos. But do you know the reason they are crying? Because who will speak for them? Who will stand to speak for them? Nobody. All the eastern governors that will speak for Igbos, they are keeping silence because they are slave to Fulanism. All the both Ohanes and Igbo have sold their birthright. Who able to speak for Igbos for what is happening in Lagos? It's a terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. The way they demolish their houses, the way they demolish their shops, na chofa, persecuting them as children will not have parents, as children will not have mother and father, and nobody, no strong man from Igbo land that is speaking for them. You don't understand what I'm saying. You don't understand what I'm saying. The way they are doing, in fact, what these people are doing to Igbos in Lagos this nowadays is terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. The way they are collecting their land, their property is terrible. Who is speaking for them? Nobody. The only way Igbo people have strength is to fight their self. Igbo people have strength to fight their self, to put their brother down. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is outside now, he's the one that was even forcing this thing out, exposing them, exposing Jagaban and Lagos State government, rebuking them for what they are doing is evil. Let them stop it. But who again will do it? Other people may do one to keep quiet. They have free on a moon of Lagos. There are shops, many different locations, different places. Nobody is speaking for them, and everybody know that what these people are doing in Lagos State is not good. But who is able to speak out? Who is able to voice out? And only keep silent. Only what they are after is to fight their brothers and their sisters, to fight themselves, fight within them, within them. That's the only way Igbos have strength. And since last year, I know that I have some challenges. I've begun more than 10 videos, different videos, 10. Because I'm calling out the Lagos State Governor and Jagaban. Because the way they demolish houses of Igbos and their shops. Do you know there are some shops, Igbo shops in Lagos? They will come, they will not give them quick notice. They will bring their caterpillar and tell them they should pack their goods and come out from now. They will just demolish that place. They are doing Igbos. In fact, they are persecuting Igbos in Lagos at people who don't have father and mother. That people who don't have people that will speak for them. They persecute Igbos in Lagos at people who have nobody who could speak for them. I've been doing video calling out the Lagos State Governor and the Jagaban for what they are doing. It's not good. They should stop it. I was even arranging to do protests about this thing that is happening in Lagos State. Do you know all those videos I'm doing? This is the way Igbo's content creators, bloggers, Igbo bloggers, supposed to be bring out to expose it out. But nobody is talking about it. Nobody is coming out to speak about it. I'm not saying just talk about it once and to go. No. Continuously, nobody is talking about it. All the bloggers, Igbo bloggers, and the content creators that even though if they speak, millions and thousands will hear them. Most of them don't even care. They don't even care.